Hey, I'm gonna do a request video from singing Firework by Katy Perry. And, I'm gonna do the best I can. Sorry if I mess up here and there. I'm not exactly perfect on the song. I know some parts, but not all. So, if I mess up on the parts that I don't know, excuse me, I'm sorry. And it was requested by Chloe07534. She's awesome. Go check her out. She's got some awesome videos. She does some awesome her own music video things. They're awesome. But I'm sorry, Chloe, for waiting this long to do this. To do it. But I've just been busy. So, but I'm doing it now. Because you requested, and if you or anybody has any requests for me, either leave them in a comment, a video response, or send me a message on YouTube. Oh, and I have Facebook too, so add me on Facebook. But I have a fiance. For any, because of that, I have a fiance and I don't want anybody else. Sorry. Anyway, here we go. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? Do you feel the wind wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blowing from living in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 16 other screams and no one listening to hear a thing? Well, there's still a chance for you, because there's no you. You just gotta ignite, light, let it shine. Just on the night, the 4th of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, you want your work. Make them go out, and you feel across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Won't let you go. Let's burst. Make them go out, you leave them falling down. You know what I feel like a wasted space. Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. Through hurricane comes a rainbow. The reason why all the doors are closed, leave an open one that leads you to the perfect road. When lightning, your heart will glow, and once time you'll know. Ignite the light and let it shine. Glow the night like the 4th of July. You're a firework. You mean what you're worth. Make them go as you shoot across the sky. You're a firework. Let us burst. Make them go and leave them falling down. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. Souls inside you. And it's gonna flood through. You're a firework. Don't let them watch your worth. Make them go you should have come to sky. Baby, you're firework. Come on, let the colors burst. Make them go leave them And that was it. And rate, comment, subscribe, send video responses, send requests, please. And rate this and like it and favorite it. And sorry I didn't sing too loud. I can't because my parents are kind of sleeping. So and yeah. Alright. Talk to you later. The person who requested this is Chloe 07534.